Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the layers of corporate filings to uncover the juicy secrets hidden within. Today we are diving into a very interesting announcement from SoFi Technologies Incorporated. SoFi Technologies Incorporated is letting the world know about a significant move they are making in the market, and it involves a rather large sum of money. It seems like the company is gearing up for a major boost, and we are going to break down exactly what that means for them and for us. Alright, so the big news here is that on December 4th, 2025, SoFi announced it plans to offer for sale whopping $1.5 billion worth of its common stock. This is a pretty common move for companies looking to raise capital, but the scale of it tells us they have big plans. Think of it like this. They are essentially selling pieces of the company to investors to get more cash to fuel their operations and growth. And it does not stop at $1.5 billion. They have also given the people helping them sell these shares a special option. This option allows the underwriters, the folks managing the sale, to buy an additional 15% of the shares. Now, if they decide to use that option, it could mean even more money for SoFi, potentially bumping that $1.5 billion up significantly. This shows a lot of confidence from both SoFi and the underwriters in the market's appetite for their stock. So what is all this money for? Well, they are saying it is for general corporate purposes. That sounds a bit vague, but they do give us some clues. They want to boost their capital position. That means having more money on hand to weather storms or seize opportunities. They also mention increasing optionality. This implies having more freedom to make strategic choices. Maybe acquisitions or new product launches without being constrained by cash. And importantly, they want to fund incremental growth and new business opportunities. This tells us SoFi is looking to expand, likely into new areas or to deepen their presence in existing ones. It is all about fueling future expansion and making sure they have the financial muscle to do it. Now, the company put out 2 press releases to announce this, one on the launch of the offering and another on its pricing. These documents are usually where companies share the official word, and by referencing them, SoFi is confirming the details of this massive fundraising effort. Let us quickly look at what they are selling. It is their common stock with a very tiny par value of $0.0001 per S-share. The fact that it is common stock means these are the basic shares that most investors buy. The low par value is just a technical accounting detail and doesn't represent the actual market price. Their stock symbol is SoFi and it is traded on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. This is a significant exchange, indicating they are a substantial company. The fact that they have already priced the offering is a good sign. Pricing means they have determined the specific price at which these new shares will be sold to investors. This usually happens after gauging market interest and indicates the deal is moving forward with greater certainty. Of course, no big financial move comes without risks. The filing includes a section on forward-looking statements, which is basically them telling us that while they have plans, things could change. They mention risks like market conditions, competition, and their ability to keep up with what their customers want. This is standard practice for public companies, but it is a good reminder that even with $1 billion offering, success is not guaranteed. They are essentially saying they are optimistic but aware of the potential bumps in the road. Looking at this move by SoFi, it tells a story of a company that is ambitious and looking to accelerate its growth. Raising $1.5 billion is a bold statement and signals their intent to expand their services, possibly into new financial products or to strengthen their existing offerings in lending, investing, or other financial services. They are trying to enhance their capital position, which is like a company's financial armor, making them more resilient and capable of taking on bigger projects. This could mean they are planning more aggressive marketing campaigns, more technology development, or even eyeing potential acquisitions. The market reactions to this offering and how effectively SoFi deploys this capital will be crucial to watch. It is a significant bet on their own future, and investors will be looking for clear returns on this investment. A successful deployment of these funds could solidify their position in the competitive fintech landscape, while missteps could lead to dilution and question strategy. Alright, that is our quick decode of SoFi Technologies Incorporated's recent announcement. What are your thoughts on this massive stock offering? Will it help them achieve their growth ambitions, or does it signal underlying challenges? Let us know your take in the comments below. If you found this deep dive valuable, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate breakdowns. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. See you next time.